Let's go. Flicking block is back together, and I am 1000% sure that I got it right this time. So piston rings are clocked properly. I put them in using my this thingamajiggy. This is a piston ring compressor exactly for this motor. So you put the piston with the rings in it in here, and then you put it right over. You center it with the skirt of the piston, and then you just push it right down with your hand. That's how easy my own went in. This definitely is a tedious process, but it's one that is super satisfying once you get it done. And like I said, I went through it, I did it properly, I took my time. The reason why I didn't time lapse this video is so that I could take my time and I don't be worrying about the camera. And as you can see, all of the ARP studs, all of the jack screws in the side, I made sure I put silicone on those as well to make sure that they don't leak oil. And we are good to go. Alright guys, so there you have it. My 4-valve 4.6 liter block is back together. Crankshaft is in, main bearings brand new, pistons and rods are all in, brand new connecting rod bearings, brand new piston rings all across the board. I cannot wait to get this thing back in the car. I am super excited just to hear this thing run again. I'm gonna double check my heads with making sure that the valves are seating properly. making sure the cam is pretty much good to go. I don't think I had any issues with that last time. But whilst the motor is out, I'm going to double check. Like I said, I'm not really in a rush to get this thing done and back in the car. I am patiently going to take my time and go through this thing step by step by step to make sure that we don't have to take this back out the car until it's time to really run some horsepower through this Texid block and do pistons, rods, crankshaft, complete rotating assembly. And if I'm feeling it, you know, throw some cams in the head and valves, springs, stuff like that. Really upgrade the entire motor and then just annihilate it with like 30 pounds of boost. So there's really not much to say about this process. If you guys want to learn more about this, check out Mike's Garage. I definitely double checked almost all of his videos when I was doing piston ring gap, when I was doing the pistons and rods, the crankshaft, everything. That dude takes his absolute time and make sure to teach everyone else how to do this stuff properly. So big shout out to you, Mike. You are definitely the GOAT when it comes to making those informational videos to explain to people how to put these things together. So I'm gonna put your link right up here if you guys want to check it out, or if you're building a 4-valve motor. Even if you're not, he has an insane Mach 1 that has a 4-valve motor in it, and I believe it's Cobra supercharged. If not, I can't remember which one it is. Might be Kenny Bell. But check out his channel for that full build, guys. He went step by step. He drove it, I think, on a track recently, so make sure to check out his channel. And I think that's it for today, guys. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Always remember, don't drift without your dreams. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. I absolutely cannot wait to sink my foot into the floor after putting this motor back in the car.